Hi folks, welcome to Pepe Learning. In this video, you are going to learn about one of the built-in functional interface named Consumer, its uses in functional programming. Consumer is one of the core built-in functional interfaces in Java 8. Consumer accepts a parameter, doesn't return any value. It is used to display or print data. It doesn't return anything. Let us see a program and review it again. I have opened Neon 2 Eclipse workspace which got a project called Java 8. Under this I have package named com.pp.j8.fun.programming. I right click on this, new class. I would like to name this class as Consumer Fun Programming Demo. I select public static void main, finish. I delete the to-do auto-generated code by the tool. Now, in this specific class, I would like to demonstrate, let's say I have a few products. I would like to use consumer interface here where I can pass these products and passing the consumer functionality. In one scenario, I would like to display about the complete information about of a product. In the another scenario, I would like to display only the product and its quantity. For that reason, I need to have a class called product. I right click on the functional programming package, new class. I name this class as product and it got 4 fields. So named string name of the product, string category, double cost and integer quantity. Now I got all the required fields. I would like to add constructors and getter setters. I'm using shortcut for this. If you observe in this class, I got 2 constructors along with getters and setters. Now my product class is ready. I can use this product class in Consumer Fun Programming Demo. Here, first of all, I'd like to create 3 products. For that, I use list of products. Say products equal to new array list. Here, I would like to add 3 products to the list of product. So I say products dot add new product. Here I would like to build this object with the help of constructor. Now I say my product name is fridge. It belongs to a category called home appliance. Its rate is 25,000 and we got a quantity of 18. Now I would like to add 2 more products. For that reason, I copy the specific product and paste it here. The second product I would like to have is steel ball. Which comes under the category of utensils and its price is 835.75 pice and we got a quantity of 29. Now the third product is laptop, which comes under a category called computers and its price is 54,758.0 and we got a quantity of 7. Now my data is ready. Here I would like to add a function. This function takes these products and displays the information according to the functional interface named consumer we pass to the method. For that reason, I create a method called public This method doesn't return any value. For that reason, we mention it as void return type. I name this method as display info, which takes two parameters. The first one is list of products. So I say first parameter is product list, and the second parameter is consumer functional interface, which consumes a product but doesn't return any value. I say it as product consumer. The method declaration is complete. There is no errors. Now I would like to implement this method. For that reason, I use for each to loop through the products. I say each product here. Now this product, what I do here is I'll take this product consumer dot accept. The method which used is accept. It takes each product, and here we would like to display the information. So the functionality is complete. Now we can use this specific display info method in main method. For that reason, I should specify static keyword for this method. In the main method, I go and call this as display info, which accepts list of products. Here we have variable which is products, and second one, it accepts product consumer. So for that reason, we should create consumer functional interface which accepts product. I would like to name this as product consumer. Here I would like to implement the lambda expression. You can see here I have a base implementation here. So it takes one parameter called product. I say here it as pro, so no need of parenthesis when there is one parameter. And in the body, what I would like to do is I would like to print the information. So I take out the body, I mentioned it as sysout. Here what I would like to print is product dot get name, and I say belongs to a category, right? So I say belongs to a category here. So I call it as pro dot get category. Now belongs to category and available quantity. So here I would like to show available quantity. For that reason, I add pro dot get available quantity dot get quantity, and I would like to close this. If you see here, ideally what I'm trying to do here is I would like to print a product belongs to certain category and it got so much quantity. Now I pass this consumer functional interface to the display info. Now everything looks fine. Let me try to execute this. I right click on this application, run as Java application. Now you can see output, fridge belongs to home appliance category and available quantity is 18. Steel bowl belongs to utensils category and available quantity is 29. It is working as per the expectation. Now I would like to show only the product and its quantity. For that reason, what I can do is I can go ahead and say consumer functional interface, which takes product, and this time I call it as product consumer quantity equal to, I say product and say sysout. Here I would like to print only the product name and its quantity. For that, prod, because I mentioned the parameter as prod dot get name plus I mentioned quantity. For that, plus prod.get quantity. Right now I have implemented another functional interface which is product consumer category. I go ahead and call display info. This time I'm passing products and product consumer quantity. So just to separate between these two, I'd like to have one sysout as a separator. Now when I execute this program, you see right click run as Java application, you can see the first one which is displaying product, its category and quantity. In the second one, product name and available quantity. So if you observe, the specific method display info is one method which takes products and which takes the functionality that should be applied in the product. So here the consumer accepts a parameter, doesn't return any value. For that reason, when you call consumer, we take the parameter and we are trying to print the information. So this is how consumer functional interface is used in functional programming. To review, consumer is one of the core built-in functional interface where it is used to display or print the data. As it consumes and doesn't return anything, its return type is void. Thanks for watching.